Nag-aalangan ka bang lumapit kay God dahil natatakot ka na baka hindi na niya mapatawad yung mga masamang ginawa mo? I will read a story for you. So this is about King Manasseh. So si King Manasseh ay nakagawa ng mga masasamang bagay sa mundo. So sa 2 Chronicles 33 verse 6, sabi dito, and he caused his children to pass through the fire in the valley of the son of Hinnom. Also, he observed times and used enchantments and used witchcraft and dealt with a familiar spirit and with wizards. He wrought much evil in the sight of the Lord to provoke him to anger. Pero nagsisi siya. Sa 2 Chronicles 33 verses 12 to 13, and when he was in affliction, he besought the Lord his God and humbled himself greatly before the God of his fathers and prayed unto him. And he was entreated of him, and heard his supplication, and brought him again to Jerusalem into his kingdom. Then Manasseh knew that the Lord, he was God. So, di ba, kahit na ano pa yung mga nagawa mong kasalanan, basta ikaw ay nagsisi at nagpakumbaba kay God, papakinggan ka ni God kasi di ba nga, God is just, but He is merciful. Another passage for you, 2 Chronicles 30 verse 9. Sabi, for if you turn again unto the Lord, your brethren and your children shall find compassion before them that lead them captive, so that they shall come again into this land. For the Lord your God is gracious and merciful, and will not turn away his face from you, if you return unto him. So, di ba? Kahit na gaano pa kasama yung mga ginawa mong kasalanan at kahit kaano pa kadumi ang tingin mo sa sarili mo, if you humble yourself to the Lord, nagsisi ka and you promise to yourself, to the Lord, that you will not do it again, He will accept you as a renewed person. So, wag mong iisipin na hindi ka na niya anak. You have to accept Him as your Savior, tapos iwanan mo yung mga bagay na masasama, magbago ka, He will accept you. Thank you po for watching. God bless you. God bless us po.